Does this channel have a title?
Yes, it has.
Because if it has a title, then the scope is defined by the title. Indeed, that's why in this report, you are saying he exceeded where he was meant to go. So I think the scope is well defined. There is the channel has a title. Can we have a copy of the title?
Yeah, even if it has a title, was the whole channel given the developer or it is?
Did you give him the entire channel? I think the letter. I think the letter of the president had also demarcations.
Mr. Chairman, it is not. It is a defined section of the channel that is being developed by KHAM.
Okay.
I confirm that scope is not for the entire channel. It is for about 1.2 kilometer stretch, which is already under development at different stages.
I read the letter. It is even part of the documents. I read the letter. The letter says this person has been accepted to develop an achievable channel without scope.
Okay, let's have that letter tomorrow.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.